Look, this is Mia's new cut, right? You see Mia's new cut? We ain't finished, but this is it. But the dogs are trying to have sex with her. Bear, really, that's Bear. That's Spanky. Spanky, Bear. Watch this. This is Mia. She know they trying to get her, so she don't appreciate it, and Bear's crying. I'm gonna let her go and see what happens. Hey, Bear! Cut it out! Bear! Bear! You can't get mad, Bear. Bear's a rapist. He's trying to say, give me that. He's a rapist. Mia's cleaning herself right now. Just don't bite me. I'm gonna pick my baby back up. Bear, stop. Hey!
This nigga just wandering back and forth.
Yeah, I'm gonna put him in a cage.
That's it? No more?
Poor babies. I don't know what to do. I'm gonna put him in the middle of the floor. Look, you see this? It's that bullshit.
Move, move. Oh boy, she's retarded.
She's not even bothering Spanky. It's all Bear.
Cause Spanky leaving her alone. Spanky know what it is.
Hey, Bear. Bear! Shut up!
Abusive ass nigga.
Oh, now Spanky about to get it.
I'm cornered.
Shut up, Bear. Shut up. Come here, Mia. Come here. Come here, Mama. I love you too.
You gotta show mommy this one.
This is not fair. You see how dogs get raped out here? Not fair. Look at her face. Look at her. She glad. She's happy I picked her up, right? You happy?
Kiss. Kiss,
Kiss.
Mia.
Kiss. Kiss. No kissing? No kissing today. She don't love me.
Not in front of the camera. She said not in front of the camera.
But usually she'll be all over me.
And the dog spotted up waiting.
See? Spanky not too much. Bear, a lot. She don't like you, Bear. Spanky, let's see. Not too much. Bear? Not at all. She don't like Bear. I'm gonna lock Bear ass the fuck up. Bear's a rapist.
Bear, you're like 60 years old. Calm that.
I'm trying to put her somewhere so I can put her down. She's happy.
Okay, hold on. That's it.